Did you accidentally spill soap onto your carpet? Don't panic, I've got the perfect solution for you. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step process for removing a soap stain from your carpet. I'm going to go over cleaning products, tools, techniques, as well as the proper drying method. A small soap stain won't be that hard to remove. Think of a small bottle of hand soap dropping onto the carpet when you're bringing the groceries home. You're right there to pick up the bottle and grab any soap that got on the carpet pretty quickly before anything soaks in too deep. You can handle this little soap stain on your own, and that's what I'm going to show you how to deal with today. However, a bigger soap stain can be troublesome. Picture a scenario where a container of laundry detergent tips over without you noticing, and a large amount of soap leaks into your carpet. This bigger stain will require professional equipment to flush that soap out of your carpet and your underlay. To remove a soap stain from your carpet, you'll need some type of extractor. This could be a retail spot cleaning machine or a wet vacuum. I highly recommend a wet vacuum as it just holds more liquid. On top of some type of extractor, you will need a few other basic tools to treat this stain. You'll need your tea towels, you'll need a fan, a large bucket to help empty the liquid out of the wet vacuum, your spray bottle full of water to continue to flush the stain, as well as some liquid defoamer to keep the bubbles down in your wet vacuum. The soap will quickly foam up, and without this defoamer, you can cause your vacuum to stop working. This can be permanent. You can pick up a liquid defoamer at any janitorial or carpet cleaning supply store or online. Find all the soap stains from the spill, move things around to make sure the soap hasn't gotten under any furniture, and check about for little droplets. If you had a loose lid on your soap, it could have leaked and spread fairly far out about the house. If it was a more major spill, look to see how far the soap spread, and check to see if it got underneath your baseboards. If you weren't around when the spill happened, check to see if your kids, pets, or partner stepped in the soap stain and tracked it around the house. If the spill just happened and the stain is fresh, start by using a white tea towel to soak up as much of the soap as possible. Place a clean, dry tea towel over the spill and gently press down to absorb more of the soap. Fold the towel over and use different sections to soak up as much as possible. Then take this towel to the sink and rinse it thoroughly under warm water and wring out as much liquid as possible. Then place the damp cloth over the stain and press down gently to maximize contact between the carpet and the towel. The tea towel will start to absorb more soap through capillary action. Leave the towel on the stain while you go and gather everything you need to clean it up. Add the liquid defoamer to the waste tank of your extractor or vacuum first. Focus on vacuuming up as much of the soap as possible before you introduce any water. It's crucial to use the liquid defoamer alongside the extractor or wet vacuum. Without this defoamer, soap can create excessive foam, which will cause your vacuum to stop working. Removing a soap stain is fairly easy in principle. You're going to use water to flush it out. It just takes time, and that depends on how much soap is in your carpet and how far it's soaked and if it got into your underlay. A professional carpet cleaner will use a tool that will help compress the carpet and underlay to squeeze the soap out of it. When you're taking a DIY approach, you'll need to use your wet vacuum or carpet extractor. Today, I'm going to use a wet vacuum and a spray bottle full of water to remove the soap stain. Start by using your extractor to soak up as much soap as possible. Start from the outer edges and work towards the center. Next, spray the spot with your water bottle full of water to flush out any extra soap. Be careful not to saturate the area. You just want to spray it lightly and then vacuum it up. Now continue this process until you see only water being sucked up into your spot cleaning machine. You'll notice there will be a lot less bubbles in it. Continue the process of spraying the stain and vacuuming it up until you've removed all the soap from your carpet. When you're using a wet vacuum to clean a soap stain, there are a couple things to keep in mind. First, don't overfill your waste tank. This can get heavy, which makes emptying it out difficult, and you risk spilling that wastewater. And number two, don't overdo it with the water while you're flushing. Spray a little on and then vacuum it off. Yes, you want to flush the soap out, but you don't want to spread the soap stain out any farther either. Check to see if the soap has disappeared from your carpet completely. If not, continue to rinse it with water until it's gone. A soap stain can dry and look like it's been completely removed, but still be lingering. You can tell if it's there in two ways. One, if you touch the area after it's dried and it feels sticky or slippery. And number two, if after a few days you notice a dark spot appearing in the same spot the soap was spilled, this is the soap in the carpet attracting dirt. If you notice either one of these, you'll have to go back and repeat the flushing process. To dry the area properly, blot it gently with a dry towel and add a fan to help speed up the drying process. Avoid the use of hair dryers or heaters, as these can melt the fibers in your carpet. Leave that fan running until you notice the spot starting to fade away. Even after the spot fades, the carpet may be slightly damp. This is completely normal, and you can turn the fan off at this point.